Looking for your wallet address on Trust Wallet? Follow this tutorial to find out where to get it from. So right here from your homepage, you will see there are a bunch of cryptos, and I'm going to go ahead and use BTC, which is Bitcoin, for a sample. So once you're in here, you're going to go and see there's a few options: send, receive, swap, buy, sell. All right, so if you want to be receiving, you will get a QR code as well as a numerical and alphabetical series of numbers. So there's a few things you can do. You can tap on copy, that will literally copy the address, or you can click on share, and this will give you the opportunity to share with multiple people on multiple platforms such as Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever you decide is best for you. But there's one thing to remember, that each and every one of these currencies have a different wallet. So every time you do this, you generate a new number. So make sure that you are checking this and be aware of it. Also, make sure that you are staying safe and not sharing this with people that you are not acquainted with. I hope this was helpful. Share it with a friend.